again, January 1st, 2026?
Yes,
Okay. And sir, is it correct that that would be about $1,000 increase from your prior child support?
yes.
Enjoy the video, hit the like button.
Today.
Your Honor, we're here on a motion to modify support. We have a partial agreement in this case. That's my understanding. And we need a hearing on the current child support amount. I'll go ahead and announce the agreed portions and then call the parties. We're modifying their 2022 order, the omnibus order and suit to modify the parent-child relationship. The parties agree that the father, Mr. Joaquin Hill, will carry health insurance through his employer at a cost of $164 a month for medical and $40 a month for dental. The mother agrees to, Miss Woodard agrees to pay cash medical support of $164 a month beginning January 1st, 2026, and then dental support of $40 a month beginning January 1st, 2026. Additional healthcare expenses will be split 50-50 by the parents. And Miss Woodard would be responsible for court costs for today, due in 1 year. And there would be no non-disclosure for either party. They're comfortable having their contact information in the order. I would like to call the parties.
Okay.
I call the father, Joaquin Hill. Mr. Hill, could you state your full name?
Joaquin Hill,
And sir, what are the names of the children involved in this case? And how old are they?
13 and 11.
And sir, is it correct that your last order was from March 30th, 2022?
Yes, ma'am.
And sir, under that order, is it correct that the child support obligation was $520?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. And sir, before I go forward on that, I just wanted to ask you about the agreement as far as the partial agreement to the order. Are you in agreement to carry the health insurance for medical and dental?
Yes,
And are you in agreement for the mother to pay you $164 in medical and $40 in dental support?
yes.
Okay. And sir, do you know what the mother does for a living?
My understanding is she's a licensed funeral director. Yes.
Okay, and how long has she been doing that type of work?
Off and on for the last 10 years, I'd say.
Okay. And sir,
I'd say 7 years or so.
okay. And sir, is it correct that the mother has no other children?
Yes, that is correct.
Okay. And sir, were you aware that the state found that Miss Woodard's income was $8,145.47 gross monthly?
Yes,
Okay.
I was informed today.
Okay. And sir, are you asking that child support be set based on 25% of Miss Woodard's net resources?
Yes,
Okay. And sir, are you asking that child support be set in the amount of $1,559?
yes,
And are you asking that that begin January 1st, 2026?
yes,
Okay. And sir, is it correct that that would be about $1,000 increase from your prior child support?
yes,
Okay. And so you believe it qualifies for a modification at this time?
yes,
Okay. And sir, are you asking that Miss Woodard be responsible for the court costs for today?
yes,
And sir, are you comfortable with your contact information being included in the order?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sir, is there anything else that you want to tell the court?
No, not at this moment. We mentioned the arrearage and medical support, medical expenses that haven't been paid, but you stated that that's not included in this order. So I'll have to
Right.
file for a motion for enforcement.
Okay. Pass a witness.
Okay.
I called the mother, Raven Woodard. Miss Woodard, could you state your full name?
Raven Woodard.
And ma'am, is it correct that you're the
Correct.
Okay. And ma'am, is it correct that your order was last modified March 30th, 2022?
Correct.
Okay. And ma'am, did you hear the announcement regarding the agreed portions of this order?
Correct.
Okay. Are you in agreement for the father to carry medical and dental through his job?
I am in agreement.
Okay. And are you in agreement for you to pay $164 a month in medical support?
Yes.
And are you in agreement to pay $40 a month in dental support?
Yes.
Okay. And ma'am, where do you currently work?
I work for Service Corporation International.
And what type of employer is that?
It's a funeral corporation.
Okay. And do you work as a funeral director?
I do not.
What do you do?
I work for campaign manager, which is sales support.
At a funeral home?
Yes.
Okay. And ma'am, the state found that your income was $8,145.47 gross monthly before any taxes or any retirement or anything else is taken out. Does that sound accurate to you?
To the best of my knowledge.
Okay. Ma'am, do you have any other children?
No, I do not.
Okay. And ma'am, is it correct that your previous child support was $520 a month?
Yes.
Okay. And ma'am, are you in agreement for the child support to be ordered today of $1,559?
I am not in agreement.
Okay. And can you explain to the court why you don't agree for that new amount as of January 1st, 2026?
Well, I believe that it's a significant increase from what it has been. I think that there are some other factors considering that I don't have access to my children. I don't see my children. And I just think that it is an excessive increase.
Right. And ma'am, do you understand that the state calculated this child support amount based on the guideline amount for child support?
I understand.
Okay. And that amount would be 25% of your net resources since you have no other children?
I understand. Yes.
Okay. Ma'am, is there anything else that you want to tell the court?
I am not in agreement of the, you stated paying the court costs. I am
Okay.
not in agreement of that.
Okay. And ma'am, are you in agreement for your information to be included in the order as
Yes.
far as your address and phone number? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Pass a witness.
Counsel, let me just make sure the 1559 was giving mom credit for the health insurance and dental insurance that she'll be reimbursing dad for.
Yes, Your Honor.
And what would the drop down be?
Let me check. The drop down is 1,247.
Okay. Okay, then, mom, dad, I'm going to order that the current order be modified. Dad will now cover the health insurance and the dental insurance. Mom will reimburse dad $164 a month for the health insurance beginning January 1st, 2026, and $40 a month for the dental insurance beginning January 1st, 2026. The new child support amount beginning January 1st, 2026 will be $1,559 to drop down to $1,247 when one of the children emancipates. The court costs will be order to pay by mom within 1 year if billed by Collin County. No non-disclosure. Mom, Dad, I'm going to ask Miss Phillip to draft up the order and send it to me. Once I sign off on it, the Attorney General's office will send you both a copy. Thank you both. You're both free to go for today. You can just hit that button that says leave or leave meeting. Thank you both.
Question.